If you're experiencing stress in your life, you might also be dealing with high cortisol levels. High cortisol can be detrimental to your health. In this video, I'll share 7 effective ways to reduce cortisol levels using functional medicine. Cortisol, often referred to as the body's chronic stress hormone, can be both a friend and an enemy. When cortisol is balanced, it helps our immune system, supports the sleep cycle, reduces inflammation, and regulates blood sugar, which fuels our cells and stores extra glucose as fat. However, when cortisol levels remain high for extended periods, it can cause several issues. Prolonged high cortisol levels can lead to increased blood glucose, keep you in fat storage mode, and interfere with progesterone, potentially causing estrogen dominance. Over time, it can disrupt the immune system, circadian rhythm, and metabolism, leading to symptoms such as anxiety, depression, chronic fatigue, heart palpitations, and stress hives. Chronic stress, whether from mental, emotional, or physical sources like infections and hormone imbalances, can elevate cortisol levels. Here are 7 strategies to help lower cortisol. Try adaptogens. Adaptogenic herbs like Panax ginseng, ashwagandha, and rhodiola can help your body adapt to stress and lower cortisol levels. It's important to use high-quality products to ensure efficacy. Panax ginseng manages cortisol levels, ashwagandha is both calming and energizing, and rhodiola enhances mental function and reduces perceived stress. Replenish stress-specific vitamins. Chronic stress can deplete essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and B vitamins. These deficiencies can lead to various health issues, including bone density problems, muscle tension, headaches, anxiety, and sleep disorders. Testing for these deficiencies and supplementing as needed can help mitigate the effects of high cortisol. Add high-quality fish oil to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can lower cortisol, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. Ensure you choose high-quality fish oil to avoid toxins and heavy metals. Omega-3s also support healthy neurotransmitter function. Reduce caffeine intake. High cortisol levels can lead to fatigue and difficulty concentrating, making it tempting to consume caffeine. However, caffeine increases cortisol production, creating a cycle of dependence. Reducing or eliminating caffeine can help break this cycle and improve energy levels naturally. Eat protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These nutrients help maintain steady blood sugar levels, reducing the need for cortisol. They provide sustained energy by slowing the breakdown and absorption of food, preventing the spikes and crashes caused by processed carbs and sugary foods. This helps in reducing cortisol demands. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Engaging in mindfulness practices and meditation can significantly reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. Mindfulness involves staying present and fully engaging with the current moment, while meditation provides a structured time to focus, relax, and center yourself. Both practices have been shown to decrease stress hormones and improve overall mental well-being. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Get regular exercise. Physical activity is a powerful way to reduce cortisol levels. Regular exercise helps to lower stress hormones and trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. Aim for a balanced mix of aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling, and strength training to keep your body healthy and stress levels in check. Just be sure not to overdo it, as excessive exercise can actually increase cortisol. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and invest in your health. Remember, managing cortisol is key to feeling your best and living a balanced life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on functional medicine and wellness. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be well!